Hi again. This is Dr. Chad Rolland with Rolland Chiropractic in Edinburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'm bringing to you a few of what I'm calling power herbs. Things that are helpful for your immune system but have a number of other benefits as well. We're going to do a brief review of them at this time. Of course, these herbs are really more like concentrated food, and they have therapeutic benefits as well. So first we're going to start with product garlic. Now, as I look at this label you'll see says odorless garlic. So people sometimes have a concern with the smell, or as you outgas or breathe the garlic out. Of course, if we talk about some of these videos were done during the pandemic of 2020 with coronavirus, I suppose that's a good way to practice your social distancing, is to eat a lot of garlic. At any rate, garlic contains allicin and other organosulfur compounds. It's an anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, antiviral. Promotes healthy lung function, supports healthy cholesterol and cardiovascular health. In fact, a number of master herbalists would say if they had to pick one herb, that garlic would be on the top of their list as the master herb. Natural blood thinner. Some people say it should be discontinued a few weeks before surgery. Consult with your doctor if that's something you're going through. It may also help with certain cancers. It's certainly shown to help stimulate T lymphocytes and macrophage auction, which is what comes in and cleans up those different microbes that are not supposed to be in your body. It supports natural killer cells, which identify different problem areas and helps clean up and protect your body. It also promotes interleukin-1, which is a natural anti-inflammatory process, and that's something that garlic does. The next on the list of power herbs would be oregano, and this talks about oil of oregano. Now, it is a natural antimicrobial with compounds of thymol and carvacrol being effective against gut bacterial overgrowth and viral respiratory illnesses like the flu. It's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. As you know, you can use it as an herb from your garden. This is a very concentrated form, and you should not chew oregano capsules because they are so intense that it will burn the lining of your mouth or your esophagus. The next herb on our power list is Spirulina and Chlorella. The two of those are blue-green algae. They're high in nutrients. They have anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant, possibly antiviral. They definitely help rebuild intestinal flora, which is important for our immune system as well. Helps with blood oxygenation, helps nourish and detoxify our blood, may help with anemia, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Also improves mental function. Chlorella has been shown to be a very potent and similar compound that you find as a structure in red blood cells. Other great special greens, of course, that you might be familiar with would be barley grass, wheatgrass, broccoli sprouts. Two of the top green vegetables, if you will, would be the sea vegetable would be kelp, and the land vegetable would be alfalfa. But spirulina and chlorella have been shown to help purify and detoxify and provide a lot of benefits to the body. Of course, you be careful who you choose for your manufacturer to make sure that they are processing it well, that it doesn't have toxins in there, and it preserves the nutritional value of the compound. And that's an important thing to remember. The next thing we're talking about would be, now this says curcumin, which is the active ingredient, but turmeric. Turmeric's a rhizome like ginger, contains several nutrients that are powerful antioxidants. They affect intracellular signaling, particularly involving nuclear factor kappa B, which reduces inflammation. Turmeric has been shown to reduce arthritis and even help rheumatoid arthritis. It may boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Sometimes you see that abbreviated BDNF, which improves growth of neurons, helps depression and activity of serotonin and dopamine. Turmeric reduces neurodegenerative processes and helps clear amyloid plaques. Where do you hear of that? Amyloid plaques are one of the contributing factors to Alzheimer's, so it may be helpful for Alzheimer's. It may also fight unhealthy cell growth. Turmeric is used as a cancer prevention and a treatment. Turmeric also is known to help pulmonary fibrosis and other types of lung or respiratory problems. Turmeric also helps eliminate yeast and parasites, helps with digestion, and stimulates bile production. Turmeric is a great multi-purpose herb that can be used for therapeutic benefits. Ginger, this has ginger in it actually, this particular formula. Ginger is a great anti-inflammatory. COX-2 inhibitor. You may know of medications that you take that perform a similar action, but ginger is a natural form of that. Ginger, of course, is known as an anti-nausea, antioxidant, cardiovascular protective, and helps balance cholesterol. Ginger might also be anti-carcinogenic. Ginger is known to help with digestive function, calm nausea, and help with kidney function. Lastly on this list of power herbs is going to be olive leaf. This is a particular form of olive leaf that's a standardized extract. Olive leaf is a natural antimicrobial, stimulating your own immune cells, or your phagocytes specifically, to ingest unwanted material throughout your body. It helps particularly with sinus and respiratory problems. Olive leaf also contains bioflavonoids from quercetin and rutin and acts as an antioxidant. Ginger, again, olive leaf, helps with detoxification. Now, as it's detoxifying, which some of these herbs do if your body is heavily toxic, you might experience some symptoms of detoxification. Just briefly, what does that mean? It's not necessarily that it's bad for you. What it's actually telling you is it is helping to purge some of those toxins out of your system, and you might even experience some basic or simple flu-like symptoms. A runny nose, a little bit of a cough, a mild congestion, or some other symptoms like that, as your body, maybe a little queasiness in your stomach, as your body is trying to detoxify and go through that. Now, it shouldn't be something that lasts a long time. It's something that happens briefly, a couple of days maybe, and as you go through the detox experience, they should leave your body, and for the future, you shouldn't have that over and over again. But that's something to keep in mind, those detox symptoms. Now, of course, doses of these different products are dependent on the patient, and we can help you find out how much you need. As you know, for all my videos, these explanations are, to the best of my knowledge, reliable and accurate. Are you wondering how healthy your body is, or whether you need some of these power herbs in a concentrated therapeutic form? As you know, we do blood testing in our office, and we do help people with nutritional testing and nutritional therapeutic plans so that they can help their body to get better. If you're interested in something like that, you can look for our videos online explaining the process that we go through. And you can also do this by calling our office, 814-734-5000, or emailing Rolland with 2 L's chiropractic at gmail.com. The program can also be done remotely through telemedicine, and we can either have you pick up the supplements at the office once you get the testing done, or you can have them shipped directly to your house. Until next time, as always, this is Dr. Chad Rolland wishing you the best of health and happiness. Thank you.